practice bows out.
First time, too.
Yeah.
First time I shot right there. First time ever trying right there.
Did you set that target up?
Yeah.
Cool.
We were going to set it up right there, but I was nervous she was going to hit the gas tank, so I moved it over here.
That's probably a good idea.
Quivers aren't that really comfortable, but they hold your arrows. I think it's a little too small on me. I'm not quite sure what this is for.
Woo!
Mom, you try.
I'm gonna shoot from my waist up.
You don't. All right. You want? Do you know how to hold it?
She knows she had a bow once, so a little bit more straighter.
No. It's how an orc would look like.
A what?
Orc.
What's an orc?
It's a bad creature from Lord of the Rings.
Okay. There were once elves.
Got it, Mom.
Thank you.
I had to yank really hard to get it.
Oh.
Dang it.
Another beautiful day. What are you doing?
Playing.
Oh, I thought you were cleaning the pool.
Cleaning slash playing.
Cleaning slash playing.
Well, yeah. Wait, Mom.
What?
I want you to be in the battle.
The battle?
Good. Battle. No goggles and no flippers.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. What? Hey. Just ask nicely. Yeah? Alright, so the girls ate lunch. They're inside taking a break from the pool, getting out of the sun for a little bit, chilling out. And I'm working out in my garden. It's kind of a hot mess right now, but I got a big lovely, I think it's a squash. So when I planted my seeds, I started them indoors, and I started the seeds indoors, and my cat has an obsession with laying in my window where my seeds are, and he kind of knocked my plants around a little bit. So I don't know what any of them are anymore, but I think this is a squash, seeing as how he didn't get any vines. So I got my squash here. He's doing good, very good. He's got some flowers going. I have weeds to pull. I got some baby, I don't know what they are, cucumbers maybe? I don't know. Ew. It's pretty good. They've been baling up hay the last couple days, stacking them up. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? Wish you my good boy. What are you doing? Huh? You just laying up in the sun, huh? Are you just laying in the sun? Good boy. What's going on, Boomer?
Not too much, bud. You got too much, bud. Look, there's smoke flying off, so I think you went 7 minutes fast on it.
Oh! on fire. He's on fire. Look at him. He's got fire coming out the bottom. He is on fire. Oh my God, his truck's on fire. His truck's on fire. His truck is on fire. I'm calling 911. His truck's on fire. I think he's on fire. He's on fire. Oh, scary. Whew. Everyone's good though, thankfully. Nice. You're aiming for the middle like a bullseye. Good work.
I was playing with Kitty.
You playing with Kitty Kitty?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, Dad's away. Can we go after we're dressed? Can we go to my outfit dress?
Nice. All right, we're going to some other hay bales.
There are the hay bales. Kitty beat us. But Willie beat us on top.
How are you gonna get up there?
Come on, always do.
Nice. Chloe will try it.
I already hurt my arm.
Gotcha!
Alright, now. Alright. Go! Busted!